Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Instagram is a business account and it's linked to a Facebook page. This unlocks Ads Manager. Next, pick a single, measurable objective: reach, traffic, conversions, or leads, because your creative and bidding follow that choice. Once done, collect assets: square or vertical video, 1080 images, a short headline, and a clear CTA. Make sure files match Instagram specs so uploads won't fail and your ad maintains quality. Now you construct the campaign in Ads Manager. Create the campaign, then an ad set, then the ad itself. That order matters. For audience, mix saved demographics with custom lists or a 1% 3% lookalike to scale. Choose placements but prioritize Instagram feed and stories. For budget, choose daily or lifetime. Set bid strategy to lowest cost or target cost, and apply a frequency cap. This balances spend versus ad fatigue, and help. Finally, preview and launch. Double-check captions, CTA buttons, and UTM tracking so analytics remain accurate. Once live, monitor CTR, CPM, CPC, and ROAS daily. Pause low-performing variants, scale winners, and run a /B tests on creative and copy to improve results. If an ad is disapproved, check policy violations. Common causes are copyright, prohibited content, or landing page issues. Then edit the asset or text and resubmit. This fixes most delivery problems and gets your campaign back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.